Hey, everyone. Welcome back to AA Notes channel. Today we have something truly exciting to explore together. Have you ever wondered if it's possible to turn text into stunning images effortlessly? Well, Adobe Firefly has a solution for you, and we're about to dive right into it. In today's video, we're going to introduce you to Adobe Firefly's incredible text-to-image feature. Whether you're a designer, content creator, or just someone who wants to take their visual projects to the next level, you won't want to miss this. First things first, let's take a quick look at what Adobe Firefly is all about. Adobe Firefly is an amazing creative tool that harnesses the power of artificial intelligence to help you bring your ideas to life effortlessly. Whether you're starting from scratch or using one of their stunning templates, you'll be amazed at what you can achieve. Now, let's get to the main attraction of this text-to-image feature. With just a few clicks, you can turn plain text into eye-catching visuals that are perfect for social media, blogs, presentations, and more. The creative possibilities with Adobe Firefly are endless. Whether you're looking to boost your social media presence or create stunning visuals for your business, this tool has got you covered. So, there you have it, folks. Adobe Firefly's text-to-image feature is a game-changer when it comes to creating captivating visuals. I can't wait to see what you'll create with it. If you found this video helpful, Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to AA Notes channel for more exciting content, and share this video with your creative friends. And as always, if you have any questions or want to share your thoughts on Adobe Firefly, leave a comment down below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.